going on, you guys? Doing another video of the Hawk 125. So turns out it ain't no 125 no more. I got the GPX Moto 190 on it. The same exhaust though as the 125. Need to upgrade it because it does shoot down, so I'm kind of restricting power. It comes with the oil cooler, 28mm carburetor. Upgraded the fuel tank. A Taotao makes a 1.5 gallon, and I also found a 2-gallon one somewhere, but I gotta look for it again. But I found this 1.5 gallon so far. Heat wrapped the exhaust. Also had some heat shielding I was able to find, so I put some in there too as well. But eventually I want to switch out this muffler. This muffler's not good. Been doing a lot of crazy stuff lately. So far so good. I've added this crank breather. The hose goes up and around. Also with this 190 kit, you do have to wire it in, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's mainly just for the stator. This one is a 2-valve. So it's a U-All. Dual piston. With the 190, I think my top speed now is 75. So definitely a lot better. And then even in the trails too. I did lower down the gear to 35 tooth, but I think I'm gonna up it to, I think 39. I think 41 was just too much. 39 should be perfect. Got the 16 tooth up front. I put the motor in there at 1,000 miles, so I'm technically at 627 miles with this new engine. I got the unbreakable thing, levers, so that way if you fall, they're not gonna break on you. I do have to switch out this one side, but I need to make sure I have this brake switch working properly. So, other than that, this bike is a beast. Let me know what you guys think. Let me get you guys actually a quick start up.